Hi viewers, welcome to BSP Voice. Today I am coming with the topic ordinary unconsciousness and deep unconsciousness. What's the difference? People know that what is subconscious, unconscious, and conscious. Okay, supraconscious. But what is this ordinary unconsciousness and what is deep unconsciousness? This is going to be really very good to learn the people. What is ordinary unconsciousness? Ordinary unconsciousness is that, for example, shifting in your sleep from dreams to non-dreams, dreams to non-dream sleep. So when you are shifting your dreams to non-dreams, non-dreams to dreams sleep, that is ordinary unconsciousness. In this unconsciousness, what happens? The silly things, egoic kind of mind is totally activated. What that emotion that is activated, what we discussed in the daytime, that is all right into the dream. So that is ordinary unconsciousness which comes in our sleep, that is dreamless sleep and dream sleep. So you can find out what is your ordinary unconsciousness when you're finding that dream, right? Dream kind of sleep. So how you feel that you are in unconscious things which are there, so they are coming into your dreams. So that is ordinary unconsciousness. It's emotion, it's anger. So when it comes to deep unconsciousness, what is deep unconsciousness? The people physically they attack. So deep unconsciousness, we can see some kind of militant sometimes. So deep unconsciousness, they get into that. Sometimes we can see some political leaders also. They are into deep unconsciousness and they don't know what they are speaking sometimes. Whether it is going to affect the ordinary people, whether it's going to affect any other religious, like, so speaking something which is ordinary unconsciousness, which is giving some inputs to the person what you are committing a mistake. So that alerts the people, is this is ordinary unconsciousness. Whereas deep unconsciousness, it doesn't alert anyone, they don't listen to anyone, almost they're completely depressive and aggressive, and at the same time notorious, we can say notorious also. Deep unconsciousness, people could not come out of that, they don't listen to anyone and they don't take right decisions. This drawback to the people. So ordinary unconsciousness is that ordinary unconscious people can be counseled and they can be getting to again the real life. Whereas it comes to the deep unconsciousness, the people could not listen to anyone and they hurt themselves and they hurt others. So today we can see the political leaders who are there today, how they are speaking. Whether it is right or wrong, just only they are throwing in JHMC elections, we find it out. So that we can find out how it's going to be happening. So then we understand how this is going to affect the people. Whether this party is right and that party is right, that is a different case. Every party has some pros and cons, and flaws and merits and demerits, flaws and good things. The thing is here, how the parties and how the party leaders are speaking irresponsibly. That is deep unconsciousness. So the people who are in deep unconsciousness, they don't worry about the welfare of anyone, including themselves also. This thing, actually, this is the most dangerous thing, and they are out of their complete control. So that I think you understand ordinary unconsciousness which are there around us, and sometimes we receive them, maybe the teaching or maybe any kind of reading things, and when overhear something else and they'll be in our mind and they come into our dreams, and this it's not at all a problem. The problem is that you are only with the deep unconsciousness. So that the people who have this kind of tendency, please come out of that and do some meditation, and at the same time go for a jog and do some exercise. Definitely you are going to be fit and you'll come out of that deep unconsciousness. Thank you so much for watching BSP Voice. Please subscribe, like it and share it. One more thing, the 1st December onwards, I am coming with Telugu also. So English is also continued and Telugu also is going to be with you. BSP Voice with